Hey there. In today's JavaScript lesson, we're learning how to use classes to model real-world data. We'll create a class called person with properties like name, age, and country. We'll also include a method to display the person's details. Let's explore what this looks like in the code. We want to represent people using code. Each person will have basic info stored as properties. We'll define a method called displayDetails to print this info to the console. Let's look at how this class is structured in JavaScript. Here's the basic structure. The constructor runs when we create a new person. It sets the values for name, age, and country using this. The display details method logs all the person's info to the console. Now, let's see this in action by creating actual objects. We use the new keyword to create new person objects. Then we call the method display details to print each person's info. You can easily create more people this way using the class blueprint. Let's look at some sample outputs you'll get. Here's the actual output in the console when you run the code. Each instance holds its own data, and the method prints it clearly. This is a clean way to organize and reuse your code. Now, let's look at where this approach can be applied. We use classes like this in any app involving structured data. This can be for user profiles, employee databases, or game characters. JavaScript classes give you a reusable, organized way to build objects. Let's wrap up everything we've learned today. That's how to create and use classes in JavaScript. We've defined a class, created instances, and developed their data and displayed their data with a method. This is a key concept for any serious JavaScript developer. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. We'll see you in the next one.